about to get deep. I'm too young to be this way. I'm too young to be this way. And I'm too young to feel this way. Shit. Every single day I'm feeling outside of my mind. I'm going outside of my mind. And I'm playing pretend, trying to live again. Trying to be okay. And I'm trying to make amends with myself and my demons and everyone else. Everyone else that I fucked up myself. Fucked up myself because I already know that I gotta go. So I'm grabbing the rope and I'm letting myself go. Grabbing the chair and I'm kicking it under. And I'm kicking it under and I'm going to the gutters. Going to the gutters, straight to the grave. Man, God calling out my name. Shit, I'm gonna see these pearly gates. I'm seeing this shit cause I'm feeling the fame. Broken hearted every single day. It's nothing else but the shit. It's just myself cause I already know about this back problem. Back problem, man. I'm talking about these past problems. All these past problems had me really fucked up. Don't wanna look. Maybe you wanna go ahead and put a nigga out his luck. Grab the 9 and go ahead and smoke myself. Smoke these other niggas who ask to help. They ask for help, they go ahead and give me the knife straight to my back. And then I turn around and still I helped again. And I helped some more and then I got stabbed again. Way too many times I took a knife to my chest just for one man. Goddamn, man, I really did this shit just for the homie. Had to empty up the clip, shit, had to let it rain. Rain on him, had to make the pain. Had to make the pain go away and then the shame shit. Put him in the grave and I made it rain. And I made it rain and I ain't ashamed cause I'm with the devil. With the devil every single night, man, he's on my shoulders and he's making trouble. Making trouble for all these goons. And all of these dudes that is fucking with me. Swear to God, I'm too young to be this way. Too young to be feeling this way. Feeling outside of my mind every day. Feeling outside of my head every day. Fuck it, Lord, I'm gonna fucking break. I need to go ahead and get down and pray. Get down and pray and go ahead. I'm saying this shit cause I'm really I don't even know shit. It's just so fucked up, man. I need some ghost shit. I need some good shit just to forget. Smoke it up so I can go here and relax. Relax about it so I don't talk about it. So we ain't speaking on it, man. I'm really needing to move on and just go ahead and feel like I'm gonna feel okay. Okay, when I'm in the grave, when I'm dead and gone, I'll be on my way. And I'm on my way. Man, I'm too hurt to feel this way. Man, I'm too hurt to be this way. Man, I'm too hurt to be this way, yo.